Hi everyone, welcome to week two. You did a really great job in the week one. I really love watching your flip reflection. So you did a really great job. So I think you have already been very familiar with the Canvas system. So if you still have problems with this online education system, please send an email to me. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And also I want to answer some questions for this course. So for this course, what you need to do every week is to finish the task list one by one. So there will be no other modules. Sometimes there will be some discussion forum links will be posted on the week page, but you still can finish all of the things on this page, so you don't need to worry about other things. You just finish the task list one by one. So that's all you need to do every week. So I think it's very easy. So if you have any other questions for this course, please let me know. I'm very happy to help. So now I'm going to show you the week two page. So as I mentioned in the course syllabus, and this will be a project-based learning course. So this week we will start our first project podcast. So this is the first week, and this is the preparation week for the project one. So you only need to read some articles and watch some video to prepare for the podcast next week. So this week, as we see, so there are 5 tasks in total. And the first one is to watch this introduction video. And the second one is to read the introduction of the topic of this week. So I think this is very important for you to read those introductions. So I think this can help you develop a very basic understanding of the topic of this week. So I think it's very important. So I hope you can read this one very carefully. And for the third task, you need to watch the video from the researcher, Dr. Mimi. So she explained her idea about the social media. So I think it's very interesting. So I hope you can watch it very carefully. And I provided 3 articles for you to read this week, all about the social media and its effect on the kids and the teens. So I think, and there are some guiding questions, so you can use these questions when you are reading those articles. And the next week for the podcast project, so you need to use the podcast tool to answer some of the questions in the podcast. So there is a link to the overview of the podcast assignment. So. And this week you don't need to submit anything. So the only thing you need to do is to prepare for the podcast next week. So this is the overview of this assignment. Please read it very carefully. So that's all for the week 2. So this is just a preparation week for our first project. So if you have any question, please send it to me. I'm very happy to help. So I hope you will enjoy the new week. Thank you, and see you next Wednesday. Bye.